Hello, we are back. Episode 7 of the Ds3, a race car build, and pretty big episode. Getting this interior finished. A lot of bits to come back again. Look at this dash. Flocking great. They've done a great job. Might be a bit dark under here, but I'll show you. There's the dash. I'm going to get that in today. Get the cage finally in. So we've had all the plates welded, as you can see here. So plates there, front and back, obviously, and just a little touch up of a spray. And yeah, so I'm going to rip all this out, get the crash bar in, look at all these wires because, well, it's chaos, and get it done. Right, so that little cleanup, got the crash bar in. Now I'm just fighting with these wires, doing some organising, having some fun, and trying to get this dash in. So let's give it a go. Probably gonna pull my hair out a bit, but yeah, we'll get it sorted. So yeah, just getting this bloody dash in, and it's a bit fiddly, but we're getting there. Just trying to get this bloody top bit in. I should have put it in before putting the whole dash in, but I didn't. So now I'm struggling. Bit more progress. Got this little bit in. Trying to figure out all this, and you center console. Getting there, slowly, getting back together. That lives in there. Oh, I can get it in. Yeah, that lives in there. There we go. And then over here, we're just sorting out this panel. Just mess around with this cage, get it all in. It's getting there. So, quick dinner break, and I forgot to mention, I had my racing license test the other week, and I passed it. Nice. It was easy, to be honest. More stress than challenging. I got something moving. So all I did was you turn up on the day, sit down in a classroom, go through their own version of that video that you get sent, and basically they talk you through it. You get given a test, do your test, and yeah, pass that 100%. You got to get 100% in the flags, and then the rest I think it's 80%, but I got 100%. And then I went out in a Clio 200. He took me out for 2 laps, him driving, guiding me. Then I drove for 2 or 3 laps, him chatting, talking, guiding me through the corners, the braking points. And then to do the test, it was 2 laps, unguided, him sat in silence. And yeah, went sweet. I did grab 5th gear instead of 3rd twice, but that was just, different gearbox, not used to it. But yeah, passed. I'm officially a race driver. So it's cool. Interior's looking good. Now we're just messing around with this foot plate. Got that bolted in. Now the footrest. We've got to cut it down. It's not a problem, but yeah, it's looking good. So, got both the foot plates in, got the seat plate in, and now we're just ironing out where to put these batteries, fire extinguisher. But yeah, good progress, looking good. We're back, rested, fed, ready for it. So today we are doing a bit of fire extinguisher, bit of battery isolator, cable management, we'll say. So yeah, we'll crack on and take you along. Just setting up the cables here, got the crimper and stuff. There's a switch panel. So, tidied up the cables, I'll just sort that bottom bit out there. Got all that running there. Power to the fuel pump. Running out around the back. Yeah, these little 6mm will push them in, and then it's just a cable tie, done. Nice. It is looking more and more like a race car. So, what have we been doing today is got that mounted, that's the location, but we've been doing a bit of mess around with the kill switches. So battery goes there, there's a relay, there's the other relay, and then we'll wire from that. We'll have start switch, stop switch, external stop switch going on the panel there, and obviously an external one. But yeah, it's looking sweet as. So there should be a video every weekend for the next 3 weeks. Busy times and slowly running out of time. So be engine next week, it's looking like. That's getting finished Monday. We'll get this in and hopefully get it running, because it's been a while. But we're getting there. Appreciate the views. I know it's been a bit slow the last couple of videos, but we'll get in there. It's going to soon start picking up, and we'll get this car built and hopefully get some racing in. Cheers, appreciate for watching. Give us a like, subscribe. Till the next one.